Hey, gorgeous souls, AI Money Mind TV here, your go-to guide for creating a business and life you love. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of passive income and how you can unlock its potential using the power of AI and social media. Get ready to have your minds blown. We live in an era where technology is constantly evolving, and with it comes incredible opportunities to build wealth in ways we never thought possible. Passive income is no longer a distant dream but a tangible reality for those willing to embrace innovation. This is your chance to break free from the 9-to-5 grind, ditch the soul-crushing commute, and design a life of freedom and abundance. Are you ready to join me on this incredible journey? Let's dive in. So, what exactly is passive income and why should you care? Well, let's break it down for you. In a nutshell, it's about generating income without actively trading your time for money. It's like planting a tree that keeps giving you fruits year after year. Imagine this. You're lounging on a beach, sipping a tropical drink while money flows into your account. That's the magic of passive income. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many. No more alarm clocks, no more boss breathing down your neck. Just pure, unadulterated freedom to live life on your own terms. Sounds pretty amazing, right? You get to decide how to spend your days. But here's the best part. Passive income isn't just for tech geniuses or Wall Street wizards. It's accessible to everyone, regardless of your background or expertise. With the right tools and strategies, anyone can create multiple streams of passive income and achieve financial independence. It's about working smarter, not harder. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a creative soul, or simply someone looking to escape the rat race, passive income is your ticket to a brighter future. It's the key to unlocking a life of possibilities and endless opportunities. Now let's talk about how AI and social media are revolutionizing the passive income game. Social media has become an indispensable part of our lives, and businesses are leveraging its power to reach millions of potential customers worldwide. But managing social media effectively can feel like a full-time job. That's where AI swoops in to save the day. AI-powered tools are like having a team of virtual assistants working tirelessly behind the scenes to grow your online presence and generate passive income. From content creation and scheduling to audience engagement and analytics, AI can automate tedious tasks, freeing up your time and energy to focus on what you do best, creating amazing products and services that light you up. Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of AI? You're not alone. Many people feel daunted by the idea of integrating artificial intelligence into their daily routines. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. In fact, AI can be incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. There's a plethora of user-friendly AI tools available that cater to every need and budget. Whether you're a beginner or a tech-savvy professional, there's something out there for you. These tools are designed to simplify your social media marketing efforts and maximize your passive income potential. Imagine automating your posts, analyzing engagement, and optimizing your content strategy with just a few clicks. For instance, AI-powered content creation tools can help you generate engaging captions, write compelling ad copy, and even brainstorm new ideas for your campaigns. They can also create stunning visuals, all in a fraction of the time it would take you manually. Think about the hours you'll save, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Imagine having a never-ending stream of fresh, high-quality content flowing effortlessly across your social media channels. Your audience will be engaged and your brand will thrive, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to explore and discover in the world of AI. We'll delve deeper into specific AI tools and their functionalities in our upcoming sections. From analytics to customer service, AI has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of your business. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the power of AI for your social media success. The journey ahead is exciting and full of opportunities. Section 5. Automating your social media. Work smarter, not harder. Remember those days of manually posting updates, responding to comments, and tracking analytics? Well, say goodbye to those time-consuming tasks. AI automation is here to streamline your social media management and free up your precious time. Imagine scheduling a week's worth of social media posts in just a few clicks, having AI-powered chatbots instantly respond to customer inquiries, and receiving detailed performance reports without lifting a finger. That's the power of automation. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on the bigger picture, refining your strategies, engaging with your audience on a deeper level, and ultimately, boosting your passive income streams. Section 6. Navigating platform policies, staying in the game. While AI and automation are incredible tools for passive income generation, it's crucial to use them responsibly and ethically. Social media platforms have specific policies in place to prevent spam, misinformation, and other harmful content. Violating these policies can lead to account suspension or even permanent bans, which can be detrimental to your passive income streams. That's why it's essential to familiarize yourself with the terms of service of each platform you use and ensure your AI-powered strategies comply with their guidelines. Remember, building a sustainable and ethical online presence is key to long-term success in the world of passive income. Section 7. Tweaking strategies for compliance, playing by the rules. Don't let the fear of platform policies hold you back from harnessing the power of AI and automation. With a few tweaks and adjustments, you can ensure your strategies are both effective and compliant. Start by reviewing your automated content for any spammy language, misleading information, or excessive promotional posts. Ensure your AI-powered chatbots are providing accurate and helpful information to your audience. Regularly monitor your account activity for any red flags and be prepared to adjust your strategies as needed. Remember, it's always better to err on the side of caution and prioritize building a trustworthy and authentic online presence. Section 8. Proven tactics for passive income. Watch the money roll in. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. Proven tactics for generating passive income using AI and social media. These strategies are designed to help you maximize your earnings with minimal effort. Here are a few strategies that have worked wonders for entrepreneurs and businesses worldwide. 1. Affiliate marketing. This method allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Leverage AI-powered tools to identify relevant products and services to promote to your audience. These tools can analyze data and trends to help you choose the best items to market. Create engaging content that seamlessly integrates affiliate links, driving traffic, and generating passive income through commissions. The key is to make your content valuable and relevant to your audience. 2. Online courses and digital products. This is a fantastic way to monetize your knowledge and skills. Share your expertise and passions with the world by creating online courses, ebooks, or templates. These digital products can be sold repeatedly without additional effort. Utilize AI for marketing automation, email sequences, and customer support, allowing you to generate passive income while you sleep. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more creative endeavors. 3. Membership sites and communities. This strategy involves building a dedicated audience willing to pay for exclusive content and resources. Build a loyal following and provide exclusive content, resources, or support through membership sites or online communities. This creates a sense of belonging and value for your members. Automate membership management, content delivery, and communication using AI tools, creating a recurring revenue stream. This ensures that your community remains engaged and satisfied while you enjoy a steady income. Section 9. Reflect, implement, and prosper. Your journey to financial freedom. Congratulations, gorgeous souls. You're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to unlock the incredible world of passive income using AI and social media. But remember, knowledge without action is like a car without an engine. It won't get you very far. Take some time to reflect on the strategies we've discussed and identify those that resonate with your business and goals. Start small, experiment, and don't be afraid to adjust your approach along the way. The beauty of AI and automation is that they allow for constant optimization and improvement. Embrace the journey, stay curious, and never stop learning. Your financial freedom awaits. Section 10. Conclusion. Embrace AI and unlock your passive income potential. As we conclude this empowering journey into the world of passive income, remember this: you have the power to design a life of freedom, abundance, and purpose. AI and social media are no longer futuristic concepts but powerful tools at your disposal. Embrace the possibilities, experiment fearlessly, and never underestimate your ability to achieve financial independence. The future of wealth building is here, and it's waiting for you to claim it. Section 11. Call to action. Join the movement, transform your life. Ready to dive deeper into the world of wealth building and unlock even more secrets to financial freedom? I've got you covered. Head over to my YouTube channel, Marie TV, where I share tons of free resources, tips, and inspiration to help you create a business and life you love. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I can't wait to connect with you there.